Hi everyone, we got ourselves a fresh to the floor 2007 Softail Standard. This one is pretty hot. It's got some custom wheels. We do have brand new tires, both front and back on this. It does have a quick detached windshield, 3-pouch bag up there. Forward controls, has an Arlen-Ness intake on there, and then Freedom Performance sweepers, or the down sweep exhaust. But this paint set is parts has a call in line tube apparently too. But this paint set is kind of a rare bird. They only made 200 of these. This is number 91 of 200, and they are directly from Harley-Davidson. So kind of a rare paint set. Got some Harley-Davidson grips on there, some pullback handlebars, saddlebags. Does have a matching rear wheel as well. Backrest. Man, that paint is really cool. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.